How to put video side by side in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and import your videos to the timeline. Then put them one on top of the other. Then select the longer one and split it to match the duration of the second one. Then select one video and here hold these pointers to change its scaling. Now follow the same for the second one. After you resize it, you can put it wherever you want. Now if you want to fit it to the screen, you have to change the ratio. Simply select the ratio and choose the desired ratio according to your videos. Then resize and reposition it to fit the entire screen like this. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can put video side by side in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.